And then we start to warm up outside of the dance floor. We start doing things like, yes, we have a day, you know? And sometimes we dance to the beat, you know, we day. And we do things like, yes, and we do that on the stop. But there is one thing that we know how to do better than anybody else on planet Earth. We get our friends together because we're very scared of the dance floor. And as we get there, we know that something's about to happen. We're not too sure what it's going to look like. We're not too phased either. But we can feel that feeling rise up from the intro right up to the time, right up to the avenue. As soon as it gets to the chest, you know something's about to happen. Because that feeling is too strong, you know? So the only thing that we know how to do really well when it gets to that moment in time is we wind it up, and as soon as it gets to that moment, we do like this.